We're off to do the Losar circuit today. Losar, Hikkim, Comic, all of this we're going to do today. कल हम लोग वहाँ गए थे वो ऊपर दैट इज द की मॉनेस्ट्री दिस इज ऑल्सो द रोड टू मनाली ओनली आफ्टर लोसर you have to cross Kunjum Pass and there the conditions are totally unpredictable. It can be crossable or it may not be crossable, so you just got to take your chances. And some of the road is also not good, so they tell me. There's another option for us to go back because this is a shorter route. Fair bit of off-roading, and if you saddle it just gets easier. If you do saddling you bump down and take a hit. हम लोग उधर से आए so far so good. A fair bit of off-roading, rugged mountains, rugged rocky mountains. One needs to be very careful here. Totally eyes on the road. Imagine when it snows here, these roads would be untraversable. I mean, it would be impossible to traverse. There you go, one sharp stone. Why is he stopped here? I'm not going there. My bap will also not go there. Not go there. There he goes. If you can give me some way, I will just go through here. He did, and I am through. Now they're drilling. So the cars, the four-wheelers have to stop. The two-wheelers can go through, but you have to be careful because there'll be stone flying about. I just went through it without realizing, and nothing. I was very lucky. Just go from the outside. Easier that way. अभी इतनी अच्छी रोड थी, बड़ी खुशी हो रही थी कि फ़ोटो तो खींचे भाई। वापस अच्छी रोड आ गई। जय हो भोलेनाथ, जय हो। अंजर पंजर ढीले हो गए। अरे बाबा। So the map is showing that we have to go up that road. All that. Good Lord. अब करना है तो करना है भाई, क्या करें, दिखा तो यही रहा है। अभी वहाँ की क्लाइंब स्टार्ट होगी ना तो फिर से रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करूँगा। वो पूरी क्लाइंब की रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है मुझे। और कोई सड़क ही नहीं है, यही एक सड़क है। पता नहीं कौन सा ब्रिज है ये। ओह, जस्ट गुड टू नो दैट देयर आर पीपल बिहाइंड मी। कुछ लोग तो अकेले करते हैं भैया, दाद देनी पड़ेगी उनकी हिम्मत की। When you see this dust, na, to be very careful. भैया ये सब अचीवमेंट्स हैं, कर लिया बस, इनफ। See the map? Can you see the twisties? Oh my god. इधर से डाइवर्जन दिखा रहा है। तो इधर से चलो, है ना। ठीक तो है। फिर से अरे बाबा रे बाबा। अरे बाबा, किस चीज़ का वेलकम है भाई? हैं, किस चीज़ का वेलकम है ये? वेलकम किब्बर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी। हमको इधर जाना है। The entire route is bloody off-road. So I'm saddling, puts less pressure on the tires and the bike. I'm glad I wore all of the stuff that I'm wearing. I'm not feeling cold at all. Even the wind cheater is really effective, stopping all the wind. Back to some same road. For how long I don't know. Only for about 50 feet. भैया कोई यहाँ से वहाँ कैसे जाएगा ये बताओ हैं? Why the fuck are we going to Losar when the road is like this? अरे ये क्या हो गया? क्या तब क्या हो गया? इसी पे वापस भी आना है अभी हमको, और वो जो किब्बर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी वाली रोड थी ना वो लेनी है. उधर से जाएंगे हम लोग किब्बर, कहाँ पता नहीं कहाँ जाएंगे, बट वी हैव टू बी बैक ऑन दिस रोड ओनली. भाई पूरे बदन का लुब्रिकेशन हो गया.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes.
Just to show you the off riding that we're doing on our way back from Losar to Cheecham Bridge. We are now going to Cheecham Bridge via the Kibbard Wildlife Resort route. The road is narrow, the falls are precipitous, so one has to go slow, but at least it's starred. इससे पहले तो 20 kilometers going, 20 kilometers coming, it was completely untarred. So I want to show you these stalactites or stalagmite kind of mountains or rock formations, whatever they are. Very peculiar and different. See? Can you see? You'll see them here. There they are. कैसी चट्टानें हैं. मतलब कि गजब है यार। गजब। हम बहुत काफ़ी चढ़ाई कर ली हमने, वही वैली फ्लोर से आए हम लोग नीचे से। सो I don't know what height this is. यहाँ पता चलेगा। पर हम लोग पहाड़ों के एकदम ऊपर आ गए हैं। And now we are off to Cheecham Bridge, where we'll stop and have some Maggie and hopefully a coffee. So this is the highest point. I don't know, yeah, which is the highest point. I really don't know. What the fuck? Who gives a shit? See the roads we are riding. So we're going to the Hikim post office because it closes at 4 o'clock. So we need to get there quickly. अब पहुंच जाते तो ठीक है, नहीं पहुंचते हैं टाइम से तो सिर्फ फ़ोटो खिंचवा लेंगे, और टाइम से पहुंच गए तो 2-4 पोस्ट कार्ड भेज देंगे। So Hikim is the highest post office in the world at I think 14,000 feet or something like that. At least the road is good here. Thank God for that. It has been a terribly difficult ride to whatever that place is, Lusar or Loser or and there and back. Oof. The climb to Hikim post office. Quite intense. Especially since we're doing it a little fast also, because the post office closes at 4 and it's already 3:15. Still showing 25 minutes. I don't know why, because the road seems alright. So we are quite high. There's a series of switchbacks and you have to be careful. The road is wide and nice, well tarred, but you have to still be careful. Oh, look at those antelope. Oh, beautiful. I hope you got some of that on film. I hope I got some of that on film. वाह, थोड़ी देर पहले भी दिखे थे पर उस समय मैं रुका नहीं। अभी तक रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही तो उसमें दिख गए। वेरी गुड। माउंटेन एंटेलोप और व्हाटएवर इट इज, आई डोंट नो। This is approximately 14,000 or something. I don't know, we'll see when we get to the post office. Just in time before the post office closes. Oof. Shalsana, you managed this. Hard to believe. So this is Comic, The world's highest village. I don't know what the height is. I missed the turn to the Hikim post office, but that is lower than this. Oh, the world's highest restaurant, altitude 15,049 feet. So I'm at the world's highest restaurant, and the height here is 15,049 feet. How cool is that? Wow. Now I'm going to go and sit in the cafe and wait for the guys to come. Leaving Komik, the highest village in the world, at 15,049 feet. Wow. Who would have thought Vishal Sinha will get here? But he did. So this is the route to that Hikim post office, completely off-road, while the rest of the road is amazing. So I am with Abhishek and Gaurav. The two boys would help me pick up my bike when I'd fallen the day before, and I met them at Komik. Anyway, so they were going down to Hikim. I decided to link up with them because Jason and Ritika were nowhere to be seen, and I'll do Hikim with them, and then from there all three of us will go back to Kaza. So good. See you in a while. Hikim post office. This is the route before we join the main road, which is so smooth while coming up. And at Hikim post office, as I was turning the bike, it fell again. So 2 drops today and 1 drop before Tabo. That's it. I think we'll end up riding this route all the way to Kaza. That's what I feel. I hope not. Either way, doesn't make a difference. We are committed.
Well, I said